So one of the first and foremost reasons of why we started using a drone for snow and ice management was, if you look at the turn around, you look at the building behind me, when icicles and various things were falling down on top of these bay doors with the workers, well, we were able to fly up a drone and see that there was a lot of clogging up there in the top, and that was causing ice to come down and dropping big icicles on all these bay doors. And so not only for the mowing season, but also the snow season, we do a fly through of the whole property. We check the gutters, especially condos, HOAs, office buildings that have a ton of drainage that create, when the water comes down, runs over the side of the building and jams up the gutters, it creates huge slick spots in front of the bay doors, in front of the open doors. Condos, HOAs, hospitals have a huge problem with water overflow and freezing. So that was what started it for us, and then we moved it into grounds maintenance. We moved